Ma'am, what if po manganganak ako ng November 2025? Ano pong month ang qualifying ko? Sana masagot po. Thank you. Hi Beb! For today's video, sasagutin natin yung question ni Beb Nicknicks. Beb, kung ang EDD mo ay November 2025 at para malaman kung ikaw ay qualified sa maternity benefits, i-exclude natin ang semester contingency mo na mula July 2025 to December 2025. Now, ang magiging qualifying months mo ay mula July 2024 to June 2025. Diyan po magsiselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits at syempre dapat may hulog ka sa nasabing qualifying period para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Beb, pwede ka pa pong humabol as voluntary member. I suggest na hulugan mo po ang January 2025 to June 2025. At kung kaya mo na naka-maximum contribution na 3,000 per month, mas okay po. And make sure na mabayaran mo ito bago matapos ang June 2025 para iwas late payment. Sana'y nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more!